Hey guys, Colin McClutter of the StockMarketBasics.com, continuing on with our daily intraday stock picks for December 16th, 2013. We've got the shorts. The first short we got on the list for Monday is ARNA Pharmaceuticals, ARNA. This is in the biotech sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like ARNA as a short for Monday for the following reasons. The stock has been in a downtrend since having a fantastic blow-up top in June of 2012. For the past year, the stock has not been participating in the overall market rally and has been moving steadily lower. In September, the drop gained momentum and the stock bottomed out in October and November. The stock rallied up from the bottom but was not able to reach the previous highs before starting to sell off again. And over the past few sessions, the stock has been consolidating, and on Friday, the stock closed near the lows of consolidation range. We'll see if this stock can break down on Monday, and if it does fall below $5.40 a share, we'll consider shorting it with a price target of $5.20 on an intraday trade. Here's daily chart of ARNA. Next up, we've got another pharmaceutical company, AVNR. This is in the pharmaceutical sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like this one as an intraday short for the following reasons. The stock had a huge rapid sell-off in September of this year. Since then, the stock has been trading sideways. 3 sessions ago, the stock had a huge gap down and dropped to close at the lows. 2 days ago, the stock attempted to bounce back up but got sold off quickly, and on Friday, the stock followed through to the downside, closing at the lows. We'll see if this stock can make another leg down on Monday, and if it does fall below $2.80 a share, we'll be looking to short it with a price target of $2.61 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of AVNR. Short number 3 on the list for Monday is CTB. This is in the tire sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this tire company as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock was trading sideways when it had a huge gap up in June of this year. The gap up marked the high as the stock had been falling ever since. The stock gapped back down to previous trading range in October. The sideways momentum was still in effect as the stock was not able to make a move back up towards the highs, and on Friday the stock sold off and closed within the range of the November lows. We'll see if this stock can make a new low as the market opens on Monday, and if it does fall below 22.23, we plan to short the stock with a target of 21.60 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of CTB. Next up, we've got DCT. This trades on the New York Stock Exchange, and we like this company as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock has been moving lower since May of this year. In September, the stock started to rally back up towards the highs, but soon fell short and started to move lower in November. After a sloppy consolidation period, the stock broke down with a move lower, and on Friday, the stock fell to close at the previous support level. We'll see if this stock can bust through support as the market opens on Monday, and if it does drop below $6.96 a share, we plan to short it with a price target of $6.70 on an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of DCT. Short number 5 on the list for Monday is EMN. This is in the commodity chemicals sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this chemical company as a short for Monday for the following reasons. The stock topped out in August of this year and has been unable to make a new high. The next rally in October ended with a gap to the downside. Since then, the stock has been trading sideways. Several sessions ago, the stock started to move lower, and on Friday, the stock had a big down day as it broke support and closed at the lows. We'll see just how far this stock can go out as the market opens on Monday, and if it does bust below $72.50 a share, we'll be looking to short it with a price target of $71.21 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of EMN. Next up, we've got FE. This is in the electricity sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a short for Monday for the following reasons. The stock is in a long-term downtrend. In November, the stock started to move down that brought it to multi-year lows. At the end of the move down, the stock started to consolidate, and on Friday the stock broke down and edged below the consolidation range. Volume was relatively low on Friday, sell-offs, so we'll see if anything can pick up on Monday, and if this stock does drop below $31.50 a share, will be strongly considering to short the stock with a price target of 31.07 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of FE. The last short we got on the list for Monday is YGE. This is in the solar sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We've had this one on our list multiple times and had multiple gains in its name. And we like this one as a short for Monday, again for the following reasons. The sector caught fire earlier in the year and the stock moved up along with it. The stock made a new high early in October and has been unable to hold on to its gains. Since then, the momentum has shifted to the downside. After making a move lower, the stock started to consolidate. The stock broke down along with the rest of the sector and put in a big move to the downside. Most names in the sector have had at least some bounce in them, but this stock seems to be consolidating at the lows. We'll see if this stock can break down again as the market opens tomorrow, and if it does bust below $4.16 a share, we'll definitely be shorting it with a price target of 401 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of YGE. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for future updates, and as well as checking out our Freedom 35 membership program.